Hello YouTube, welcome to Infinite Flight Simulator. We are now cruising at 11,990 feet with airspeed 260 knots, sorry. I did search up what is the cruising speed of an A380-800 on Infinite Flight. It said it was Mach 0.85. I don't believe that. That is way fast. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to keep it at 260 knots for cruising speed. The heading should be correct. We should be on the purple line. We're literally just turning off it. So, oh, bless me. Okay. Turning now for just a little bit. And then I'm going to turn back to 185. Yeah, and then we'll go back to 185. There we go. Okay, now we're definitely on the line, so that's good. Okay, we are at 12,000 feet exactly. Well, not really, 12,006 now, 12,005 now. Vertical speed is minus 30 feet per minute. Then 4 feet per minute, 3 feet per minute, 0 feet per minus 4, 5. Oh my days. Okay, I can't really do. I think you can see we are safely now at 11,999 feet. Okay. Now 12,000 feet exactly. Okay, there. Seatbelt sign off. Landing lights off. The rest we'll keep on. Okay. Attention all passengers. Please, you may now take your seatbelts off, as we are cruising at 12,000 feet and our speed is now 260 knots. Thank you. That's what flight attendants say normally. Very posh voice as well, isn't it? Okay. And my sister's singing now. My sister's still singing. Still singing. Why is she singing? It's like the weirdest song I've ever heard. Autopilot is steadily cruising this bad way, isn't it? Look at those engines though. They're amazing. Don't know how long we are from our destination exactly, but I will check. There we go. So we are, where are we right now? We are there. We're not very far away. You can literally see us on the radar. So we will start to descend in a minute. There we are. There we are, and there's our destination. We'll either be landing at runway 26 or 08. We should exactly have 25 minutes of cruising left. I'll go down to 10,000 feet and then gradually keep going down. So yeah. 10,000 feet, here we go. There's our destination. There's our plane. We are now at 11,900 feet, exactly. Let's just hope the landing isn't an epic fail like the A320 one. I couldn't even line up onto the runway at the final moment as well. I had to go around once and then line up, and then it was a very hard landing, wasn't it? I really like the livery of this plane and how it's animated in infinite flight. It's very, very, very good. Very good. Honestly, I don't know how to do an ILS in infinite flight, but I won't try. Look at that. This massive giant just cruising through the air. Okay, we're gradually going down now. Don't know where we are. We are very close to it, very close. I will slow down to 200 knots. 210 knots maybe, yeah. 210 knots. And my sister's talking again. Either she's finished her homework or she's still doing it. Not really sure. Okay, 1 second. Sorry about that. 1 second. We are now at 210 knots, 11,180 feet. Gradually still going down. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I just went down and told off my sister and my mum as well. She's doing something very loud. Not sure what. Okay. You're nearly there. Very nearly there. I can barely see the airport there still. I am trying to manually see it. Nope, can't see it yet. We're at 10,000 yet? Yeah, we are. I will start descending more. You should say right now, arrive at destination in a min. But yeah. Still can't see the airport anywhere. I'm going to send to 9,500. No, 500. Yeah, 9,500. Okay. Airport still not spotted. Sorry about that again. My sister came in and telling her to go out. Still can't manually see the airport. We are going down gradually as well. There is an airport next to me called YSNW. I was trying to spot that at least. We are in like mountains. Oh wait, there is. Now to find my, oh there is. That's my airport over there, I think. That's my airport over there, yeah. That should be my airport, I think. That's probably definitely my airport. Yep, my airport, yeah, okay. It's gonna say arriving at destination in 1 minute now. We have gone in another 11 minutes, so thank you for being here for this cruising and descending. We are now going to descend to 7,000 feet so I can come in for landing. Thank you.